What's going on, traders? Welcome to my stream. Today's I forgot what it is. Today's Thursday. Interesting day today. Finishing up the day. Think I took one loss and one win, and then I actually had two winners, one loss. Pretty good overall. I had one max loss, which was very upsetting, but overall I did all right. I ended up finish up the day pretty green, but one max loss right here. The ticker I want to talk to you about, the stock that I had a max loss was Ayuri. The ticker had kind of a triple top price action right here. We were attempting to break it the third time. Hold on, let me let's see. So this is kind of like what my P&L looks like today. One gain, and one loss. So this morning we had some really nice volatility. The ticker that I took a max loss was IERI. I was initially trying to buy it as it broke 450, and immediately in one single candle I got flushed back down to 460 for whatever. So I didn't really get out of that. I was waiting for a 490 push, and soon enough we came back to 450, and we finally got that push. So that was a very unsettling. I don't remember what the news is. The company received 5.4 million contracts deployed landing U.S. aircraft, but their chart was a little crappy. This is it's not the greatest chat. It's not the greatest chart in the world. It's kind of like has a bit of a low range, and I thought we can do around $6 or something at least once we broke out of this. This is a textbook breakout right here. It works when I think the float on Ayuri. I don't remember what the float is on Ayuri was. Let's see if we can find it because I don't really know what the flow was but soon enough I got dumped on, and then we came back, and after that it actually sold off back to 360. So my bias was completely wrong. The ticker I did make some money was SAFX. I bought it right here when we made a new high, 280, sold 310. That was the first trade. And then the second trade, I waited until we broke out of this 340 daily resistance. We broke 340, we held 340. I buy at 350, and then I sell it at 390. So that was a pretty good spike over here. After that, the ticker pretty much sold off. The ticker had 1 billion aviation fuel shares rise pre-bell. This ticker was more of short the daily resistance kind of deal. So when I saw that 340, so we went over 340 and we just dumped over underneath it. So that was, and the other ticker, BTCM, I was streaming about it this morning. Actually, we were talking about how these small caps, they start moving at 650, and this ticker started moving at 640. Actually, it moved at 635. And soon enough, look at this, these low floats move at 635. It got to 640 right here, 470 to about $11, just on basically no news. As I see that, the news was 6 a.m. It plans a 300 million investment in crypto treasury. So a lot of these miners have been releasing news, and soon enough we went straight up in the beginning. I actually waited for the 7 a.m. push, and I kind of longed it here at 8, sold it at 9.25, made $1, bought it again at 10.25, sold it at 11, and then pretty much I actually bought the VWAP bounce right about here. I bought 750 and I sold 810, and then I bought it again at 760 and then sold it 750. So I made this amount right here, this amount right here, and this amount right here. I made like 1, 2, 3, and then a loss here. We had a bunch of traders to try to go short on this ticker. That was the right thing to do because we actually went over VWAP and we sold off. The next ticker, that's about it. And the other ticker that really got interesting that I didn't do anything with, we had CGTX. TGCX just spiked up at 7:30 or whatever. I kind of watched it and I was not really sure to buy it or not. Soon enough, we tried to break $1. I didn't buy it, so I never really touched it long or short. But it was a pretty honorable mention. Now we're in the middle of the day. We had ABVE just going up berserker. Oh, we were discussing that in my Discord chat room. Other than that, green day, just one max loss, but I finished still the day green. Other than that, see you all in my next video and my next live stream. Just one max loss, and the other tickers were green. Anyway, peace out, guys.